Here I have Vivax Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, you just have to go to settings, then go to the network and internet, hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. Here you can switch a hotspot. Here you can change its name. Here you can enable its QR code to connect to your hotspot. Here you can change its security protocol. Here you can change its password. You can also, in advanced, you can set it to turn off automatically if nobody is connected, and you can also change its AP band here. And now you can also switch a hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.